Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. Friends, in our last session we have seen some examples how to find the cube of a given 4-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra as well as Anurupena Sutra. In this regard, now in this session we are going to have a look at one more example regarding the same concept. So wait, let us see what that example is. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 1026. So friends, whenever we are finding the cube of a 4-digit number or 3-digit number or a 2-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra, of course we do have some parts of process that we have to follow. So here the first part of process that we have to do is the left part. So here in the left part, the first step what we have to do is we have to find the nearest base of the given number. So here the given number is 1026 and the nearest base for this number is 1000. After finding this nearest base, moving to step number 2, here we have to find the excess. This excess is found out by comparing the given number with the base. So here the given number is 1026 and when you compare this number with the base 1000, we get an excess of 26 and this is taken as our excess. After finding this excess, now moving to step number 3, now what we have to do here is we have to multiply the excess with 3. So therefore, by multiplying 26 into 3, we get 78 as the product. After finding this product, now we have to add this product to the base. So therefore, 1000 plus 78 is equals to 1078. And finally, this 1078 is regarded as the required left part. After completing the process of left part, now moving to the process of middle part. The first step what we have to do here is we have to take the answer what we have got in the left part and we have to find the nearest base. So here in the left part, the answer what we have got is 1078 and the nearest base for this 1078 is 1000 and the excess for this number, that is 1078, when compared with the base 1000 is 78. After finding the excess and the nearest base, now moving to step number 2, what we have to do here is we have to multiply the new excess with the actual excess what we have got. So here the new excess is 78 and the actual excess what we have got is 26. So therefore, by multiplying 78 into 26, we get 2028 as the product. After finding this product, and this product is regarded as the required middle part. After completing the process of middle part, now moving to the next process, that is the right part. Here in the right part, the step what we have to do here is we have to cube the actual excess what we have got. So here the actual excess what we have got is 26. So therefore, we have to find the cube of 26. So friends, you know that 26 it is a 2-digit number. And of course, it is a bit difficult for us to find the cube of a 2-digit number. So therefore, I am using here Anurupena Sutra in finding the cube of 26. And I am using this Anurupena Sutra at my best in short. So friends, at first what we have to do here is we have to write the numbers like this. So 2 cube, 2 square into 6, 2 into 6 square and 6 cube. After that, now let us place some horizontal and vertical bars like this. And now, let us write the answers for all these numbers. So 2 cube if you do, you will get 8. So 2 square into 6, that is 4 into 6, which is equals to 24. So 2 into 6 square means 2 into 36, which is equals to 72. And finally 6 cube, you will get 260. After this, let us place one more horizontal bar. Now, what we have to do here is, we have to double the second part answer and the third part answer what we have got. So if you double the number 72, we get 144, and if you double the number 24, we get 48. After this, let us place one more horizontal bar. Now, what we have to do here is, we have to add these 2 rows, that is this row and this row. So here, in the last part, that is in the fourth part, if you observe, we don't have any numbers to add up. So therefore, now what I am going to do here is, I am going to write this 216 directly here. And moving to the third part, here we are having 2 numbers, that is 72 and 144. If you add these 2 numbers, we get 216 as the answer. And in the second part, we do have 2 numbers, that is 24 and 48. If you add up these 2 numbers, we get 72 as the answer. And finally, coming to the first part, we don't have any numbers to add. So therefore, we have to write this 8 directly over here. Now let us place one more horizontal bar. So friends, I think you know that here we are finding the cube of a two-digit number. So therefore, in each and every part we have to keep only one digit. So here we are having a three-digit number, 216. But we have to take only one digit, that is 6, the digit in ones place, and the remaining digits 21 should be taken as carry on to the next part, that is to the third part. So therefore I am taking this 21 and I am adding this 21 to 216, and the sum what I am going to get here is 237. So again 237, it is a three-digit number, therefore we have to take out this number and we have to take as carry on. And the number that we have to take here as carry on is 23, and we have to add this 23 to the second part, that is 272, and if we add 72 and 23 we get answer as 95. And again 95, it is a two-digit number, so therefore we have to take 5, that is in our answer, and the remaining number 9 should be taken as carry on to the first part. So if we take this 9 and add up with 8, we get 17 as the answer. But whereas in first part we can have as many numbers as we want. Now let me place one more horizontal bar and let me write the answers. So here we have to write 6, and here we have to write 7, and here we have to take 5, and finally, and in the first part the answer what we have got is 17, and this should be taken as directly over here. So therefore by combining all the answers in all the parts we get the final result, that is 26 cube is equals to 17,576, and this 17,576 is regarded as the required right part. So friends, this is the way how we can find the cube of a given two-digit number by using Anurupeana Sutra. After finding this cube, that is the required right part, now what we have to do here is we have to write all the parts of answers what we have got in an order. So let us write 1078, this is the left part, the middle part 2028, and the right part 17,576. Now let us place some horizontal bars and vertical bars like this. So friends, you know that here we are finding the cube of a four-digit number, and the base what we have taken is 1000. So therefore we have to take 3 digits in the right part as well as in the middle part. But in left part we can have as many digits as we want. So here if you observe right part, the answer what we have got is 17,576. So therefore what we have to do here is we have to take the last 3 digits, that is 576, and we have to write it in the answer like this. And the remaining part, that is 17, should be taken as carry on to the next part, that is to the middle part, and we have to add this. So therefore by taking this 17 and adding with 2028 we get 2045. Again if you observe this 2045, it is a 4-digit number. So therefore we have to take the last 3 digits, that is 045, and the remaining digit 2 should be taken as carry on to the next part, that is to the left part, and we have to add. Now by taking this 2 and adding with 1078, we get 1080 as answer. Now let me place one more horizontal bar and let me write all the answers in all the parts. So here we get 576, and here we get 045, and finally here we get 1080. And by clubbing all the answers what we have got, we get the final result, that is 1026 cube is equals to 1,080,045,576. So friends, this is the way how we can use Yavadunam Sutra as well as Anurupeana Sutra in finding the cube of a given 4-digit number. I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Yavadunam Sutra as well as Anurupeana Sutra. And in the next session, we will be having some more examples regarding with the same concept. So for watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.